If you want the most professional way to soften edges in Photoshop, this is the method you should use because it keeps your work fully editable for the future. That means you can come back later and soften or sharpen the edges again without permanently damaging your image pixels. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and easy editing guides. Let's jump in. First, open your Photoshop document and make sure you already have a layer mask applied to the layer you want to soften. In your Layers panel, look for the black and white layer mask thumbnail on the bottom right of the layer. This thumbnail is very important because the feather adjustment only works on the mask itself, not the actual image layer. Now click directly on that black and white layer mask thumbnail so Photoshop knows you want to edit the mask. Once it is selected, you are ready for the next step. Next, go up to the top menu and open the Properties panel by clicking Window, then Properties. If the Properties panel is already visible on your screen, you can simply use that instead. Inside the Properties panel, you'll find a feather slider. This slider controls how soft or hard the edges of your mask will appear. Now drag the feather slider to the right. As you do this, watch your canvas closely. You will see the edges of the masked object soften immediately and in real time. The higher you move the feather amount, the softer and more blended the edge becomes. If you only want a subtle smooth edge, move it slightly. If you want a more faded or gradual transition, increase it more. The best part about this method is that it is non-destructive. You are not permanently altering the original pixels of your image, so if you need to adjust the softness later, you can always return to the mask and change the feather amount again. That makes this approach much better than using destructive blur tools directly on the image. This technique is great for portraits, composites, product cutouts, and any design where you want the subject to blend more naturally into the background. It also helps remove that cutout look that can make selections appear too harsh or artificial. If you are working carefully, take a moment to zoom in and inspect the edge quality after adjusting the feather slider. Small changes can make a huge difference, so test a few different values until the transition looks natural for your project. And that's it. That's how to soften edges in Photoshop using a layer. Learn mask and the feather control in the Properties panel. It's fast, professional, and fully editable, which is exactly what you want when you are building clean, polished edits. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials, beginner-friendly editing tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.